Hi there, and welcome back to The Native Way. I'm Jessica Foote, and I'm excited to bring you our fifth episode. Today, we're going to explore a topic that's relevant for both buyers and sellers in real estate: how election years impact the housing market. It's something we hear a lot about, but how do elections really affect real estate decisions? Let's dive into the data and insights from Keeping Current Matters, Tom Ferry, a real estate coach, and leading economist from NAR to break it down. So, every 4 years, presidential elections bring a mix of uncertainty and change to the national housing market. According to Keeping Current Matters, there are three major factors that influence this: uncertainty, policy expectations, and consumer confidence. And so, people tend to be a little bit more cautious, especially when they're making big financial decisions like buying or selling a home. So, what does this mean for the housing market if you're a buyer or seller now during the election year? Well, let's start with uncertainty. People naturally feel more hesitant when there's political and economic upheaval. They may wait to see how policies change or what the new administration priorities may be with regards to housing. And as Tom Ferry and other experts point out, this could result in fewer transactions leading up to the election as people delay decisions, waiting for more stability. On the flip side, policy expectations play a big role too. Different administrations have varying views on housing policies, taxes, interest rates, and buyers and sellers often make decisions on expectations of what might change. So, changes in mortgage interest deductions, tax incentives, it could motivate or discourage buyers or sellers from moving forward. And last, let's talk about consumer confidence. When people feel uncertain about the future, their confidence tends to dip, and with it, the housing market might slow down temporarily. But here's something interesting. According to an NAR economist, the housing market typically rebounds quickly after the election. Once the dust settles and policies are clear, buyer and seller confidence returns. So, a key takeaway here is that real estate doesn't come to a halt during election years. While there may be some hesitation and slower activity leading up to the big day, the market usually stabilizes shortly thereafter. So, if you're thinking of buying or selling, it's important to consider these factors, but also remember your long term goals and needs that should guide your decisions, not short term uncertainty. So, if you're on the fence about whether to move forward this year, here's some advice from Coach Tom Ferry. Don't let fear guide your real estate decisions. Real estate's a long term investment, and waiting for the perfect moment can sometimes mean you're missing out on the right opportunity for you and your family. There's always opportunities for buyers and sellers, even during an election cycle. To sum it up, while election years can create some uncertainty, they also offer unique opportunities for those who stay informed and make well considered decisions. If you're thinking about buying or selling, make sure to connect with a trusted agent who can guide you through the complexities of the market and help you make the best decisions for your situation, even in an election year. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of The Native Way. If you're ready to start the process or have more questions, feel free to reach out to me, jessica@native.us, or connect with me on Instagram at Jessica Foote. And don't forget, if you want more information about a career in real estate, check out our partnership at native.teachable.com to get your education started. And if you're interested in working at Native, visit our website, native.us, and apply on our careers page. We're always looking for passionate and talented individuals to join our brokerage. Thanks again for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, rate, and review the podcast. Your support means the world to me and helps us reach more people who can benefit from these insights.